In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks, focusing particularly on managing users within the software, which can be really handy if you're an admin or need to keep your settings up to date. Let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. If you aren't already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials, and then you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you can see a snapshot of your financial activities, but today we're diving right into the settings to manage users. Once you're in QuickBooks, go ahead and find the Settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will bring up a range of options that you can configure. What we're interested in today is managing users, so you'll want to click on Manage Users. Here is where you control access and permissions for anyone interacting with your QuickBooks account, which is critical for security and operations, especially if your firm handles sensitive financial information. Inside the Manage Users section, you'll find a list of all the current users with access to your QuickBooks account. These might include accountants, team members, or other professionals. Now, if you see a user under the category called Accounting Firms, this is where you'd manage external accountant access. Each user type has specific permissions associated with their role. If you need to remove an accountant or firm, you'll find a useful drop-down menu next to their name or entry. Simply click on this drop-down and you'll see an option that says Resend Invite and also an option to delete. The Resend Invite is normally used if you want to remind someone who hasn't yet accepted their QuickBooks invitation. However, in this context, we're focusing on delete, so go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you're effectively removing their access, which is sometimes necessary when terminating a partnership or after a project completion. Just like that, you're done. You've successfully managed your user settings in QuickBooks, ensuring only the right individuals have access to your business's financial data. As a best practice, always review your user list periodically. This helps maintain the integrity and security of your account, protecting your financial information from unauthorized access. And that's how you manage users inside QuickBooks. It's an important task that ensures your company's data remains secure and managed appropriately. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.